What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be unboxing something for the S14. This is gonna be a big step in the direction that we're gonna go with this car. We still need a few pieces to complete the look, but it is gonna be a big step, like I said. But first of all, we need to always show some love to the Z. Right now we got it tucked in the corner because we're gonna be unboxing something big for the S14. You guys probably already know by the title. But anyway, check this baby out. It looks so much cleaner now that everything's blocked out in the front end. The eyelids are a different color. And this headlight doesn't really sit too well because I guess when you air out, it actually hits this headlight mounting point down here, or when you go full lock, it hit it. You can see this is all bent, so I need to make sure I have good enough clearance for that. Yeah, baby. But it is getting hot nowadays, so we need to have this garage space. So we're gonna be moving stuff in and out of the garage a lot. Anyway, if you guys haven't guessed it yet, Christine is super excited for this unboxing.
Yeah.
So bring it over here, babe.
Is it so big? Yeah. Isn't it? Do you know what it is, Kaylee? No. It looks like a table. A table?
Okay. Open it up.
Oh, I know what it is.
Okay, guys, so this is the kit right here. This is the kit that we're gonna go with. It is a replica kit. We do not have money to buy authentic JDM parts at the moment, but we will in the future. But right now we're just gonna have to make do with what we can afford and stick with our budget. So let's go ahead and unbox this kit. So this kit took about 3 weeks to come in. It is a JP fiberglass kit, and it is replica like we said. It's actually a pretty good deal. Was it the 780?
Yeah, it was 780.
It was 780 shipped. There's mixed reviews on this JP fiberglass, but one thing that a lot of people don't realize is, especially when you order body kits, regardless about where you order it, the fitment of course isn't going to be perfect, and you will be needing to do a little bit of body work just to get it to fit the car perfectly. A lot of people expect when you buy body kits to just slap it on and it's supposed to look perfect, but that's not the case. You know, anybody who does any sort of body work knows that majority of the body kits that you buy are not just a bolt-on kit. It's gonna take a little bit of work to get it to fit perfect. So that's what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna go ahead and test fit this on the car after we unbox it and see the fitment on it. We do have experience with bodywork, so it's not gonna be a problem if things need to be touched up. But for the most part, it's a big step in the direction that we want to go with this build. So Christine's gonna finish unboxing this. Gee.
And they're super good with customer service. I DM'd them twice and they answered in like an hour.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh look. Okay, so that's cracked. Watch out for that. And it didn't come in a box. It just came like this.
It just came like this.
Okay, so if you guys are ordering something from JP Fiberglass, keep in mind that this is probably how it's gonna come, just wrapped in foam like this. Okay, so I guess pull out one piece at a time.
Oh, it's cracked at the bottom too.
Okay, that's not a big deal.
Is it the front bumper?
Yeah, that's the front bumper. Okay, lay that on the side. So this is the 326 replica kit. This is the direction that we're gonna be going. I think it's gonna look sick. Of course, if we could afford to buy a authentic kit, we definitely would. Okay, so we got two cracks on the bottom. Again, not that big of a deal. That's fine. Okay, pull up the side skirts. Side skirts look good, huh? Okay, so the side skirts look good, but they're also the ones that are just near the foam, so that'll make sense.
And here's the last one. Oh, this one is really good too.
Pull your car in the driveway. Let's test fit the side skirts. Maybe the front bumper. Let's grab this side right here. Okay, here, put this on the car. Let's see how it mounts up. We're gonna have to drill some holes and stuff. We got Kaylee over here, got her car up on the stand, doing some work.
We need to take off the mud flap.
Ah, oh man, it's so freaking hot.
Can you turn the wheel?
Yeah, go. Just leave it off after you get it. I just want to see the fitment on this.
Oh, the back is really good.
Okay, try to pull it on. Okay, hold it on. I'm gonna close the door.
Yeah, it's just out like this.
Yeah. Okay, hold it. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Push this part. Yeah. Okay. Wow, guys, I'm actually pretty impressed. This side skirt fits pretty good. Like, it fits tight. Nothing bolted down. It's pretty good. Let me shave down a little bit over here. And then this back part can fit on. Yeah, guys, I'm impressed with the side skirt at least. Oh yeah, this car's gonna need to be like way lower. Don't drop it. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Light. Oh, it's hot, yeah. It's hot. I have to stay in the garage because it's hot out there in the sun. You know, now that I look at this bumper with the SC lip, and I look at this bumper right here, this 326 power is this bumper. It just has the vents. Because even the holes on the bottom of the lip, that hole right there is that hole right there. That vent right there with the fog are these vents right here. They just made it cooler. Kind of like what I did to that bumper, but better scale. Okay, pull it off. Make sure you unplug your lights. Okay, go. See if we can place that bumper right up on there.
Ready?
Yeah, are you ready? It's the moment.
I'm gonna go on. Let's see. Oh,
Perfect. Perfect. We might have to take the fog lights out. Let's see. It's gonna go on top of here. Oh no, it fits. Try to line yours up. Does yours fit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one actually lines up really good.
This lines up really good too. Yo guys, I don't know why everybody be complaining. This kit fits actually really decently. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me get some tape. Okay guys, this is it. This is it. It looks super cherry. To be honest, the kit actually fits pretty decently for the front bumper and the side skirt. We haven't tried to do the rear bumper because I need to go to work, but I can honestly say that I'm pretty happy. It does need to be fixed because it did get cracked from shipping, but it's not a big deal. Fiberglass is pretty easy to work with if you know what you're doing. So, what are your thoughts? Christine, what are your thoughts?
I like it. I think it's gonna look really good. I like that it's kind of like OEM-ish looking. It's not too aggressive.
Yeah, it's more like a stylish kit than it is an aggressive kit.
Yeah, but the part needs to be way lower before we put it on.
Yeah. The plan is to eventually bag this car, and we will be more than likely borrowing the emits from that car because I want a new set of wheels. I either want to go true 18s or go 19s. So the emits will probably be put on this car right here. I think it'll match really good with the 326. Let me know what you guys think. What color should we go on this car? If you guys have any wheel suggestions for the Z or on the S14. I want wheels that are rare or that not a lot of people have, just because I like to be a little bit different. So that's why the emits are like my dream wheels. They're like probably the ones that I'll never ever get rid of. I get hit up at least once a week. People ask me if I want to trade, if I want to sell them. But my answer is always the same. I'll probably never ever get rid of these wheels. So anyway, go ahead and drop some suggestions down below about what you guys think we should do as far as the color and the wheels go. We're still debating on the direction of like the wing and all that. I know she wants to go 326 power, same as the Z, but I don't know if it'll match. I don't know. We'll have to play around with the Photoshop and all that to see what will match or not. Because I personally think that these 326 power kits look really nice with like drag wings and all that, just because it's not like super aggressive. But we will be going with an aggressive fitment on top of this S14, so it may just work.
I can't wait to have the car one color with the kit and put it on.
This car will more than likely not be a drift car, but I would like for her to drift it. Ooh, we should come up with a nice color scheme.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Let's try rest the headlights on there. See how it look. Complete the look, and let's close the hood. Oh yeah, that looks sick. Can you make your wheel straight so that way? Yo, this thing's gonna look sick, guys. The bumper's a little bowed out right now because of the shipping. It is a little bit of cracked. It is a little bit of not perfect fitment, but it has decent fitment for what it is. It's a replica kit. I don't really know anyone else selling 326 replica kits. It was decently priced, so we went ahead and jumped on it. It's a JP fiberglass kit. It does need some work, which we already know. But yeah, we're super excited to get this thing going. Hopefully you guys are too. If you guys could, give us a big thumbs up. If you guys like the kit as well, like the direction. If not, let us know in the description below what do you think we should have done. But for now, this is the direction we're gonna go. We might switch it up later. Just like the Z, it has many phases. So this is gonna be the next phase right here for the S14. So it'll be cool to mount it up and just drive it with the kit on for now. Yeah. But I don't know, we'll see. Maybe that'll be in the next video. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and call it a day on this bumper.
I think, yeah, we should mount it up and just leave it for a little bit. We'll go through its phases.
We need to at least put the battles on then, because...
Oh yeah, you can't have it with stock clips.
Yeah. Okay, we'll be back with day number 2 because we're gonna mount the bumper tomorrow. Or we're gonna test fit the rear bumper tomorrow. Alright, we'll be back in day 2.